From policy decisions shaping governance and economic direction to reforms that are aimed at improving systems and service delivery. From large-scale infrastructure and resource management initiatives to efforts strengthen energy and also sustainability. Well, here's a look at the key developments driving momentum across Maharashtra. This is Maharashtra 360. Set of key decisions cleared by the Maharashtra cabinet led by Chief Minister Fadnavis spanning clean energy, education, industrial infrastructure and land reforms. The cabinet approved the state's new compressed biogas policy aimed at scientific waste management and clean fuel generation. It also cleared UGC pay scales for teachers in 7 model colleges, and in a major industrial push, land has been allotted to MIDC for an upcoming IT park in Satara district, reflecting a broader focus on sustainability, institutional reform and economic growth. A major water conservation and awareness initiative held in Maharashtra as Chief Minister Fadnavis and Deputy CM Eknath Shinde flagged off Godda to Narmada Punya Shlok Ahilya Devi Holkar Jal Yatra 2026. Now the Chief Minister flagged the Godda Narmada Yatra from Trimbakeshwar in Nashik, and Deputy CM Eknath Shinde launched it from Chondi in Ahilya Nagar, and otherwise which is said to be the birthplace of Ahilya Bai Holkar. The Yatra that is now aimed to promote sustainable water management and public participation. The Chief Minister reiterated the government's commitment in making Maharashtra drought-free through river linking projects, while also stressing efforts to ensure a clean and continuous flow of the Godavari, especially ahead of the Simhast Kumbh. Now the initiative, which also draws inspiration from Ahilya Devi's legacy of water conservation and community welfare, with participation from youth and citizens across regions.
आणि महाराष्ट्रातल्या नद्या एकमेकांशी जोडून या महाराष्ट्राला दुष्काळ मुक्त करण्याचा संकल्प हा आपल्या सरकारने घेतलेला आहे. पुढच्या काळामध्ये महाराष्ट्राच्या कुठल्याही भागामध्ये कुठेही त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला दुष्काळ दिसणार नाही.
A major infrastructure review on the Mumbai-Pune Expressway as Deputy CM Eknath Shinde inspected the ongoing Missing Link project. Calling it to be a significant engineering achievement, Shinde reviewed the progress on key sections including tunnels, viaducts and elevated stretches. Now the project is designed to streamline one of Maharashtra's busiest corridors by reducing travel distance and also improving driving efficiency. Officials highlighted that the new alignment will bypass accident-prone ghat sections, ensuring smoother and safer movement for commuters. The Deputy CM also interacted with engineers and project teams on site, emphasizing timely execution and quality standards.
जो टनल बना है 10.5 किलोमीटर का, ये इसमें जो सबसे वर्ल्ड में वाइडेस्ट टनल है और इसका वायाडक्ट भी है, वो भी देश में सबसे ऊंचा 182 मीटर का है. इससे समय की बचत होगी, ईंधन की बचत होगी, पोल्यूशन कम होगा, एक्सीडेंट नहीं होगा. ये लोगों के लिए मुंबई पुणे डेली अप डाउन करने के लिए आसान हो जाएगा.
The project incorporates complex engineering structures, including long tunnels and high viaducts to navigate difficult terrain. The new route is expected to significantly cut down travel time and distance between Mumbai and Pune. A major push to modernize vehicle fitness testing in Maharashtra as Chief Minister Fadnavis directed officials to expedite the completion of 53 automated testing stations across the state. The move comes ahead of the new norms mandating fitness checks for transport vehicles only through registered automated centers. The Chief Minister stressed immediate coordination to operationalize pending facilities, noting that delays had earlier impacted transport services due to restrictions on National Vehicle Portal. Maharashtra has a vehicle base of over 4.33 crore, including nearly 36.8 lakh transport vehicles, with close to 9 lakh requiring annual fitness checks. Now, the state is setting up 53 automated testing centers as part of a nationwide network of 240. A major push for administrative reforms in Maharashtra as Chief Minister Fadnavis has called for a shift towards zero bureaucracy while addressing Civil Services Day and award distribution ceremony under Rajiv Gandhi Administrative Dynamism Pragati Campaign and Competition 2025-26 in Mumbai. Emphasizing a citizen-centric approach, the Chief Minister said governance must function like a startup, driven by speed, innovation and efficiency. And those were all of the updates that we could pack for you in this edition of Maharashtra 360. Until next week, take care.